Welcome back to our channel today, Auto Updates Network. Imagine pressing play and being whisked away into a world where luxury camping meets automotive engineering at its finest. Welcome to the viral sensation, the 2026 Bugatti motorhome. Marvel that merges the soul-stirring presence of a hypercar brand with the comforts of a luxury motorhome. Since revealing its teaser last month, this vehicle has sparked global conversation, sending fans and skeptics alike into overdrive. Asterisk, what sets this motorhome apart isn't just the Bugatti name badge. It's the promise that every detail reflects the brand's commitment to performance, design, and exclusivity. The sleek exterior borrows heavily from Bugatti supercars, featuring aerodynamic contours that seem to slice through air even at a standstill. The signature horseshoe grille anchors an elongated front fascia, and ultra-thin LED headlights flank a sculpted hood, giving credence to the rumor that this motorhome weighs less and handles better than anything in its class. Asterisk, slip inside. The wow factor hits immediately. Picture plush Italian leather seating throughout, contrasted by carbon fiber. Trim synonymous with Bugatti's racing DNA. The floor is laid in bespoke hardwood, hands selected and polished to a mirror finish. Ambient lighting washes over hidden alcoves, and panoramic roof panels fade from transparent to opaque at the touch of a button. The sense of space and luxury rivals that of a five-star suite. Asterisk, tech lovers will be equally impressed. The cockpit merges a Bugatti-style digital display with motorhome amenities. Compact touchscreen reveals options for climate zones, mattress firmness, satellite navigation, and even engine telemetry repurposed to monitor battery levels and solar array output. Under the hood, this indulgent ride has one rumors point to a hybrid powertrain, optimized for range and efficiency rather than blistering speed. But don't expect sluggishness. Bugatti's engineering pedigree ensures spirited, responsive performance during chassis tuning. Asterisk, perhaps the most intriguing aspect, this is likely a limited edition build. Only a handful, rumor has it between 10 and 20, will be made, each individually tailored. As with all Bugatti projects, personalization is front and center. Exterior color options span from classic graphite and sapphire to flamboyant violet, iridizing finishes. Interiors can be customized with monogrammed fabrics, unique trim materials like hornbeam burl wood, and exotic metals, even integrated art commissions for select clients. The result? A one-of-a-kind rolling sanctuary. Asterisk it. Would be remiss not to mention the practical side. Despite its high-end ethos, there's real-world functionality. Clever storage hides behind panels so seamlessly you'd miss them if you blinked. A place for camp chairs, a full-sized grill, and even a fold-out garage bay for a compact electric scooter. The kitchen packs induction cooktops, a convection oven, fridge, and freezer units, all tucked under marble effect countertops. The bathroom features a standalone shower and Toto toilet, elevated by designer fixtures and mood lighting. No compromise on comfort means no compromise on adventure. Asterisk, time costs money, and both are on display here. Leading motorhome specialists estimate a starting price north of $2 million USD. That carries with it the whisper of FOMO for high-net-worth individuals craving unique experiences. Unlike a hypercar that spends most of its life in a garage, this motorhome yearns for exploration from Monaco to the Swiss Alps, California's Pacific Coast Highway to the Australian outback. Asterisk. That begs the larger question: what does this say about the future of ultra-luxury travel? With private jets and yachts long signaling status, could a Bugatti motorhome be the next frontier? The answer is unfolding, but early signals point to yes right now. Exclusivity is being recast as freedom. The freedom to go where you want, when you want, in an environment crafted just for you. Asterisk. As the official debut approaches, perhaps later this year at a major auto show, anticipation grows. Closer looks at the drivetrain, chassis, weight, and performance specs will be scrutinized by enthusiasts and critics alike. But already, the vehicle has ignited a new category: the high-performance luxury motorhome. On YouTube, panoramic walkarounds, owner interviews, and drone shots show this isn't a mere concept, it's real, rolling art. So what keeps us glued to the screen? It's the sheer audacity of Bugatti daring to reimagine what a motorhome can be. Their fans expect perfection, and this creation looks like no exception. Blends engineering excellence with travel aspiration, delivering a core message. The journey just became as jubilant as the destination. In a world where luxury is redefined daily, the 2026 Bugatti motorhome stands as a testament to limitless imagination, an invitation to wander in style. Asterisk. Stay tuned as we bring you all the footage, test drives, and exclusive access when the first units hit the road. ESA pales in comparison to the thrill whispered with each rev of this motor space masterpiece. Asterisk.